Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, what is the line of symmetry of an angle? As we know that a line of symmetry is a line that cuts a shape of any figure exactly in half. Here we have to find the line of symmetry of an angle. So suppose one angle POR so we can draw a line of symmetry from this point O. Suppose this is OQ. Here we can observe there is a one line of symmetry which is symmetric along the angle bisector OQ. Hence, line of symmetry of an angle is angle bisector. There is one line of symmetry depending on the figures. The number of lines of symmetry will be different. Here it is 1. So, and this one line of symmetry is symmetric along the angle bisector and it is symmetric along angle bisector OQ. Hence, line of symmetry of an angle is angle bisector. Which is our option C.